Episode 22. This is just a quick update on where things are currently at. I'm just in the process of collecting all the parts together so that I can make a start on stripping them down and seeing what condition everything's in. If you saw my poor attempt at welding, you'll probably know that I made a decision to get the bodywork welded by someone who knows what they're doing, because my work is unsafe and it visually looks terrible. But if I'm honest, having had someone inspect it properly, it's quite clear that it's not really a shell that's straightforward to repair, especially by a beginner. And to be fair, when I originally drove it to Minisport many months back, their advice was to take it off the road immediately and take it to a professional, so perhaps I should have listened to them more than many months back. Now I've taken a few still shots of the shell. It does seem to look a lot better than it really is, but that's because of the blasting and the primer, but it is bad. Previous repairs to the car have caused several panels to be way out of line, which for a beginner to car welding and body repair is not ideal. So as much as I'm disappointed that I don't have the necessary skills or experience to sort the bodywork myself, I know it's the right thing to do to have it looked at professionally. As mentioned previous, the work's going to be carried out by Dennis at Classic and Retro Restorations, and he doesn't seem the least bit fazed at all by the work that's required, which is a good sign, and he's already said that he'll take plenty of progress pictures where he can, so I'm able to keep up to date with the progress. The shell's going to be collected in a couple of weeks' time, so that now gives me a chance to start other jobs like stripping the gearbox down ready for rebuilding, and that video should be uploaded in a couple of days after this one for anyone who's interested. I've also got all the engine parts ready for taking to Paul Jeffries, who's been helping me with the engine side of things. So there's a lot of work to be done, but it's all go now, and time to start stripping the remaining parts for cleaning, restoring and rebuilding, ready for when the shell returns.